This is Ms. Quezada and Jaden and Elijah. And we are studying plants. So I have my book, Plants and Animals again, and there's a different chapter in the book. So this is an informational text. We are talking about plants and what plants need. Many people grow plants. They grow plants in pots and window boxes. They grow plants in gardens and on farms. Farmers grow plants to sell. They know the basic needs of plants. So we're going to be talking about what are the basic needs of plants. What do plants need to grow? Yes, Jada.
Water, sunlight, and oxygen.
Very good. Those are some of the things that they need. Very important. Plants need water. You said that. Their roots take up the water. Water travels from the roots to the stems, leaves, and the flowers. So here is a diagram of the flower. So these are the roots under the soil, getting the water and bringing it up the stem to the leaves and to the flowers. Do you see that, Elijah? Plants need nutrients. Nutrients are like vitamins that we take. We all take vitamins. Nutrients come from the soil. The soil is the ground. Water carries the nutrients through the plant. So here's some plants. The nutrients are the vitamins that the roots take up and take into the plants along with the water. Plants need light and air. Their leaves capture light. Green leaves use sunlight and air to make food. They make their own food. How cool is that? Mm-hmm. Can't do that for us, right? But plants do that. Plants need food to grow. So here are some plants, some flowers in the sunlight and the air. So the plants need the sun and the air to make their own food. What do you think about that? So this one is the next thing that plants really need. So plants need space. Mm-hmm. Just like if we are always like this, can we do anything? Can we run around? Can we have so much fun? Not really, but it is nice to get close and hug and kiss, right? But plants need space. So if you look at this picture, so here is a farm and they're growing some sort of lettuce. And there is space here and in between. What is it?
It's probably cabbage.
That's a good guess. It could be. Plants need space. Roots need space to grow. Crowded roots can't get enough water and nutrients, and crowded leaves can't get enough light. So if they're all bunched together, they don't get enough sunlight, they don't have space for the air, they can't have the nutrients and the water from the soil because the other plants take that from them. Does this plant have what it needs? So look at this picture. We have a green plant in the soil. The soil has the nutrients and the water. The plant has air and space. And what else does it need?
Oxygen.
It needs oxygen. And what is this stuff from the sun?
Sunlight.
Sunlight. So
Or sun rays.
Sun rays, sunlight, right? Mm-hmm. So let's think about what plants need. What are the basic needs of plants?
Water, nutrients, sunlight, oxygen, and dirt.
And
space.
Space, that's right. And what part of the plant takes up the water?
The stem.
The stem brings the water up, but what?
Roots.
That's right. So here, the roots get the water from the ground and bring it up to the plants. Where do the nutrients come from? Where do the vitamins? That's right. So the roots also bring up the vitamins, the nutrients, and the water. And last question, what part of the plant captures light?
Leaves.
That's right. So if you see all of these green leaves, if they're under the shade, are they gonna get light? Do you think so? If we have a plant, if we have our plants here, and we keep it inside in a dark room, is it gonna be green?
No.
No, it's not gonna be green. So it turns green because it's a plant, but it also makes its own food. All right, friends, so for our next project with our story, you will need a couple of things. So we are going to be planting, so you need some soil and a container to put them in. So if you have some in a bag, you can use that, or we can dig it up from the ground.
Water too?
That's right.
Use eggshells.
So we have water to water the flower.
Eggshells. See?
Yes, we are going to be planting them in eggshells. Thank you. So you can leave that in there. Okay, you can hold that. What did you have? Here, what did you have? Show them.
See?
Here, seeds. So any kind of seeds. So we happen to have bell pepper seeds that we're going to use and tomato seeds. If you have seeds in a bag, that would work. We also need a shovel. If you're going to be digging up soil from the ground, you're going to need this, yes.
You can like use apple seeds.
Good, apple seeds.
And
That
then
might
you'll
take a
have
little
an
longer.
apple.
Apple tree, good. We need an egg carton so we can hold up the eggs. We can also use this to plant in if you don't have any eggs or anything to use.
They're like regular eggs.
These containers are made out of plants. So we could plant things inside here. And we need a marker.
To mark.
So happy exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.